today's video, what we're gonna do is a head-to-head competition of these two products. e.l.f. Brow Lift Brow Laminating Gel. Just got both of them. This is not a sponsored post, okay? All right, so let's just put them on. It always irritates me when I see people do reviews when they already have like fantastic brows. I'm like, girl, you don't even buy. I'm gonna start with this one, which is the Brow Laminating Gel. This one has like a sort of white, creamy, y'all stop being nasty, sort of consistency. So what I always do when I'm using any kind of brow product, I rake it through from this side because I want to make sure that I'm coating like every single hair. All right, and I will go back and brush it up. This is 0.27. This one is 0.31, which is obviously clear. Hello. Use our own brush, which is nasty as hell, and just go right in there. Get a little product. I love that you can just like get however much you want. I think that's so cool. So this is my brow with nothing. This is my brow with the e.l.f. Brow Laminating Gel. Now we're gonna do this side. Now if I'm making serious faces, because this is serious business. Brows are serious. We're done. Just kidding. Oh, I don't know. Oh, okay. What do you guys think? That's like this. So now, let them dry for a second. God, I love this thing. I wish I could remember what that other one was called. Urban Decay. What was it called? It's like the brow, y'all know what I'm talking about. Put it down in the comments if you know what I'm talking about. And put my hand like this and tilt my head back because I feel like you can get a really nice, even stroke. So that's one brow. Am I alone? Is this how you guys do yours, or do you go like this? I know people do that. I can't do it that way. Can y'all see up my nose? Do I have bats in the cave? Let me know. No, some people are like little brow magicians and they can make their brows look fantastic, okay? I'm just trying to have my brows look good enough that I can walk out the door and not have people be like, did you get caught in a hurricane? Let's get too close to each other. Y'all can see my forehead wrinkles. Don't judge me unless you're willing to send me money for Botox. Kidding, I don't like Botox. Why do I not like Botox? I don't know, I just don't like the way it looks. I've had it in my forehead once or twice and both times I didn't like it, so now I just have forehead lines because I'm gonna be 50 in like 4 months and I have a few lines on my forehead. Like, I'm cool with it. It doesn't really bother me. What do you guys think? Do you see a difference? Which one's your favorite? These brows are in the full upright and locked position. Please know that I have done the whole like, I'll show you this, where I've tried to use this, like the Got to Be Glued. I've used the one in the yellow too. And yeah, it holds your brows, but it feels like hard and just, it's gross. This is not the same as this gel. I can tell you that right now because I've done this a lot. There's something different going on in here. This has not only a lifting, but almost a laminating sort of a look. I don't know. All actually feel like they're in place. Both sides feel very sturdy to me. This never felt sturdy. The only reason I use this is because my daughter used it once and then I ordered one and then I just kept, you know, it's like, I kept doing it. My personal favorite, this side. They just feel like they are in place, but not in a way, not like it felt like when I used, like, cause I used to use this, you know, gel stuff. That feels like hard and crunchy. These just feel secure. This side feels more secure. I don't know. Right now it's hard to tell. I feel like they look the same on camera. Both great products. I guess it just kind of depends on, I like this more also because you can get all the product out. So I don't know. You guys let me know. What do you think? What's your favorite brow gel? I'll see you beauty queens in the next one. Bye-bye.